Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we are diving into the Samsung Galaxy A34 2025 edition. This mid-range smartphone has been a favorite for budget-conscious users, and the latest version brings some exciting improvements. Let's break it down. Starting with the features, the Galaxy A34 2025 comes with a bright AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, making scrolling and gaming smoother. The processor has been upgraded for better performance, allowing apps to run faster with improved multitasking. The battery life is impressive, lasting more than a full day on a single charge. Samsung has also introduced faster charging, cutting down the time needed to power up. The camera system has received a boost with better low-light photography, enhanced stabilization, and sharper image processing. AI-powered features help improve portraits and video quality. On the software side, Samsung's latest One UI version adds new customization options, improved security, and better optimization for everyday use. Moving to the exterior, the Galaxy A34 2025 has a sleek and modern design. The back panel is made of high-quality materials that give it a premium feel. The device is available in new color options, making it stand out. The camera module blends smoothly with the overall design, and the bezels around the display are thinner than ever. Samsung has also improved the durability with better water and dust resistance. The phone feels comfortable to hold, with a balanced weight that doesn't feel too heavy. Now for the conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy A34 2025 is a solid upgrade for those looking for a mid-range phone with premium features. It brings a better display, improved performance, and upgraded cameras while keeping the price reasonable. If you want a reliable smartphone with a great balance of features and affordability, this could be the perfect option for you. That's it for today. Let me know your thoughts on the new Galaxy A34 in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest smartphones. See you in the next one.